Hello everyone, how's going everything? You may be working on SEO projects and audit your website and even audit your website backlink report and you found some spammy backlinks that are linking to your site and which are not very good for your site, right? So you wanted to disable those links from this Google Disavow links tool. Okay, and you maybe audit and download those spammy links from Hrefs or SEMrush, whatever tool it is. And if you are doing this, let's say I found a lot of what is called like harmful links. Uh, and these are linking to my sites, but and if you are uh, put all of these links into a txt file and upload it into this called Google Disable upload list. Okay, it's not working here. It is not gonna work actually. It will not gonna work because the every line is incorrect. Google shows that it's incorrect because of why you have to be you have to be right domain colon before every single domain. So this is very time consuming, right? Because if you are working on a large website, or let's say you found almost hundreds of spam domains and you wanted to disable those sites from your sites, but it's really tough and time consuming task to write domain colon for before every single site. So now I'm going to show you how we can do this very easily from a tool called Disable File Generator. You need to do you need to copy your find it spammy links or domain. Go to the Disable File Generator, paste it here. Everything is okay. Hit Create Disable File. It will it will give you a txt file, and see, before every single domain it wrote domain colon. So you don't need to waste your time. You just copy your spammy uh, founded domain and then just paste it all of this in here, and it's okay. And then go here and upload it on a disable file list and hit submit. That's okay. And so I hope this video is helpful for you. Make sure to subscribe to get more information like this. Thank you. Bye bye.